Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel I'm helping with Ascension. In this video I want to teach you how to rebuild your mind, which is psychology from psychologics. Yeah, it's from logic. So your mentality can be like a house or a car, can be dismembered and rebuilt. So it doesn't matter how your mind structure is, if you don't like it, you have to know that you can rebuild it. The important thing is not to look back into the past, because what would you find there? You can find forgiveness and you can find maybe some teachings, yeah, but there is not too much what the past can offer you when it comes to rebuilding yourself. Because if you don't like how you are, yeah, let's say your mind, your psychological state, which is your soul, because earlier on, yeah, humans or our forefathers were looking at the soul. How is your soul's state, not your psychological state? Yeah. And when it comes to yourself, yeah, you have to know that you can structure, build yourself into the image that you would like to see yourself. Let's say you want to be passionate, you want to have passion in life. There are some values which you cannot buy. Yeah, you cannot go to the shop and guten Tag, I would like to have, ich möchte einen Kilogramm Passion haben. Was ist das? I would like to have 1 kilogram of passion, please. That's not possible. So there are some values which you should strive for in life, to be authentic, to be true, to have passion, to have compassion, to have love, to have this peaceful, blissful energy. So there are some things which, when it comes to your soul, that you cannot buy. And you should strive for that kind of qualities. So if you don't like your mentality, let's say you learn to react in one way. Let's say when you're angry, you smoke. When somebody tells you something, you react back with the same energy. Try to make a joke. So there are many options which you can use when it comes to your mindset. Let's say you play a game, chess, and you are beaten 3-0. Does that mean that you're gonna lose? Because if you play until 5, yeah, so who wins 5 games, but you are 3-0 down, does that mean that you lost? No, you didn't. But if you give up inside, then you lost. All right? So you can rebuild, restructure yourself in a mode, yeah, which is psychology, psychological. Everything what you do in your mind has to do with logics. It has to be logical. Yeah, it has nothing to do with emotions. And watch out a little bit. If you mixed your emotions with your mindset, yeah, and take a little bit of time off. 5 minutes, go somewhere where it's quiet, relax under a tree in the sun, somewhere where you can just relax. And when you feel that you're relaxed, yeah, try to relax a little bit more. And then just look at your emotional state. Yeah, you should be in a blissful state, not in an angry state, not in anxiety, not in no emotional state. But if you find something emotional there, relax and just try to balance out your emotions. All right? Because if you have angry or you're angry, yeah, then your thoughts are angry. But it doesn't mean that that's your mind, state of mind. Yeah, that's your emotional state. So it's a little bit tricky. If you need help, and you can find me on Facebook. My name is Topan, Gabriel. And you can find me on Facebook or ask the questions on Instagram or on YouTube. But it is logical, psychological what you do here. Yeah, you can deconstruct and reconstruct. And then my suggestion is to make yourself an image about yourself. Yeah, how would you like to be? My suggestion is to be positive and easygoing and relaxed and authentic and true and be kind and be passionate and just be a cool guy, a cool girl. Yeah, yeah, take it easy. I mean, we are in eternity. Where are you running? Where do you want to get to? You have life. You have eternity. Eternity is at your. You are living in eternity. Where will you hurry up to? Where will you go? Yeah, you have all the time that you need in life. So make yourself an image. I would like to be authentic. I would work on your side, which has to do with qualities that you cannot buy. Yeah, be truthful, never lie. Why would you lie? Even if you did a little lies there, yeah? But it's better to say, I'm sorry, I lied, or I didn't know what to say, or I didn't want to lie. It's better to correct. Yeah, if you lie, or if you do say something negative, which you didn't want to do, because sometimes it comes out, sometimes we react, sometimes our emotions take over, and sometimes it's like this, it's like that, yeah? But it's better if you did a lie, it's better to say, oh my God, it's not what I meant, it's better to correct. And then, if you always correct a bit, always correct a bit, always correct a bit, at one point you get to the point where, or at one moment you get to the point where you don't lie anymore, where you always speak the truth, and then you're authentic. And authenticity can be felt by others, can be seen by others, yeah, because you come on in a different way. All right? So build yourself an image up in your mind. How would you like to be? And then take those qualities, reform, restructure your mind in the direction of positivity. Yeah, let the past be. Okay, make a new image about yourself. Make a new image about the world. Make a new what is that? A new target in your life. Something new where you want to go. Yeah, restructure yourself and work on it, and you will see that when your mindset is positive, then your words are positive, then your behavior is positive, then life gets better. Yeah, and this is how you restructure your mind. Take it easy, step back and observe. The key is to observe what's happening in you. And when you see a negative thought, just stop it and say, no, 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 I want this to be like this. And then you restructure, because if you walked on one path a lot of times, then you are used to reacting in a way. Make the reaction a joke, make it a different kind of reaction when it comes to your mindset, yeah? So that you're easygoing, relaxed. All right? So work on your mind. You give in the qualities, you give the mind the input. Because if you learn something wrong, you can learn it good or positively as well. Yeah, the mind can be deconstructed and rebuilt. This is what I recommend you. I wish you all the best, good luck, and take care.